Alright, now first thing we need to do when we are wanting to set up a new folder in Blackboard is to make sure that we're in the correct spot. So we go to Web Portals and they've moved it, so we don't go to Blackboard 7, we go to this learnit. We put in our username and password as normal and log in. You will end up on your home screen, which has all of the courses that you are enrolled in to teach or that you are possibly a student for. So the course that we are going to look at is, let's look at 003. And what we're going to do in 003 is, I've noticed already that under unit content we have Carol, who's already put up some extra information, and Antonetta, who's already put up some extra information. The way that they've done that is we go unit content, and then what you're going to do is you are going to build yourself a content folder, and you can then put into that content folder any of the types of things that I've put into mine. So when you go content folder, it's going to ask you to name your folder. Okay. Alright, you can then put in anything that you want to in here. You can add in links, you can attach a different file if you want to, you can attach an image to make it look interesting if you've got a particularly great thing that might show the paragraphing and so on. You can put in any of your details in there. To attach a particular document, we can do that within the folder. I find it works better that way. So I've named my folder. So if I look down, it'll be right the way down the bottom. Now, if you want to move it up, as long as you make sure that this edit mode is on, at that point, when you grab it on the left-hand side and just drag it up. Let's see, I'll drag mine all the way up. Goes a little bit slowly. Now, what I've done is adaptive release. I'm going to pop it in there. What I've done is some adaptive release, which means that when I turn off edit mode, only the first few weeks are available for the students, not all of the weeks that we see there. So make sure edit mode is on. I'm going to go into my sample folder, and then we can build in any content. So say I've got a particular document that I want to attach. So I go add item, and I can call it my sample document, and I'm going to add an attachment. I go browse my computer, and let's see if I go through to my 003, and I'll go to week 3 in here, and I'll add in the PDF that I did of our Ashima document. So I've added that in, alright, and I want all the users to view it. I don't need to track views. I hit submit, and then I wait. And I could be waiting quite a while actually, because I think I chose quite a big document. So while I'm waiting, I can be doing lots of other things. Now I'm going to go cancel on that. Alright, so you can see that you can add in an item. I tend to add in items rather than files of things. You can also add in images, videos, and web links, doing exactly the same process. So when you add in a web link, you put in your web link and you just attach the URL. Alright, so you can add in anything that you like. And so that means that you can build something that is just for you and your group. So my home will take me back to home. You can see the breadcrumbs. I'm in unit content in Gen sample folder. Alright, now if you decide later that you don't want it, hover, see the little chevron, drop down, and I'm going to delete my folder. I can move it, copy, edit it, and do anything that I like with it as well, but I will delete that one. Alright, that's the end of our explanation of how to add a folder onto Blackboard for you.